Once upon a time, in the glittering kingdom of Auralis, lived a kind and gentle girl named Liana. She worked day and night in her stepmother's cold mansion, cleaning and mending, yet her heart always whispered of dreams too bright to fade. One evening, under a pale moon, an old fairy appeared before her. Her voice was soft but powerful. "Your kindness is your greatest magic, dear one. Tonight, your heart will shine." The fairy waved her wand, and Liana's torn dress turned into a glowing gown of starlight. On her feet appeared crystal slippers, shining brighter than the moon. At the royal palace, everyone stopped to stare, even Prince Arion, the young heir who believed love was a myth. When their eyes met, the world seemed to slow. They danced under floating lights, lost in the magic of the night. But when midnight struck, Liana vanished, leaving behind only one crystal slipper. The next day, the prince searched every corner of the kingdom. He didn't look for beauty. He looked for the girl whose soul felt like home. At last, he found her, dusty, tired, but glowing with honesty. When the slipper fit, the fairy's voice echoed from the wind. True magic lies not in glass or gold, but in the courage to dream. The castle bells rang with joy as Liana and Arion's love lit up the skies. And somewhere beyond the clouds, the fairy smiled, whispering, "Every dreamer deserves their happily ever after." Every dream begins with a spark, but only the brave chase it. Subscribe for the next magical story, because fairy tales never end.